welcome back to my channel. It's SimplyBriannaB, and today I'm showing you guys how I get this very simple makeup look that I usually do for all of my filming, all of my videos, and actually some of my pictures as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. So this is a look that is foundationless. This is the look that I do for most of my YouTube videos, because if I'm just filming and I'm not doing pictures that day or anything, then I feel like I shouldn't have to do a full face. Even when I am doing pictures, sometimes I'll just do this, because sometimes you don't need all that foundation, and I want to save my foundation for actual events. So this look is using all concealer. I haven't had my eyebrows done since at least March. It's been a long time, because I don't trust having somebody in my face like that yet, so I just been concealing. I need to shave them, but the hair grows back so fast. Oh, I didn't even mention the concealer that I'm using. Okay, the concealer that I'm using is the Lorac. I keep saying Lorac. LA Girls Pro Concealer. This is in Warm Honey. And this is what I use for my eyebrows. And then I use it like a highlight, but you guys will see that in a second. So I have that. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then I'm just gonna put this on my face. I wish I could do this in natural light, but there is no, I guess I could have, but I just didn't feel like moving everything to the window. And I don't like filming in that same spot all the time. That's irritating. And then I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso for my contour. Contour is one of the important parts of my look. I know my hair looks crazy, but that's only because y'all are seeing the puff. Y'all are not seeing the edges yet. The edges are setting, so. Okay, now I'm going to do the eyebrows first, let this settle in on my cheeks, and then do the rest. And this beauty blender definitely needs to be washed, but I'm gonna do that another time. And now we can move on to everywhere else. Then I kind of like cut the contour a little bit and make it sharper. I don't know if that make me look crazy, but I feel like it don't, so I do it. I don't know. I try to like blend them together as much as possible so it's not too sharp. Okay, next step is to set my cheeks with this Becca. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's this translucent powder. It like, when you put it on, it feels like water. I got it in boxycharm, most of this stuff. Not most of it, but I got this in boxycharm. And it literally feels like water when you put it on. So I put a little bit on the beauty blender, then just press it in there. So my face can look nice and smooth and flat. I can settle it in. A little bit of blush. This brush from Morphe. It came in a set. I'm not big on the brushes and stuff like that yet. I put it on there, but I make sure that I get the excess off. And then sometimes I'll be feeling like it's too much, so I'll take some off with my fingers to diffuse it, because I don't like anything extra on my face. Next is highlight, but I just use this Naked 2 palette for my highlight. Oh, I didn't even mention what shade I use. I use Chopper on this. This one. Because it's like a gold highlight. Goes perfect, I feel like, with my skin. Try to make it all flow together with my fingers. Then I let this settle with Urban Decay De-Slick. And then I put on my eyelashes and my lips, and that's pretty much it. My camera died, so I just had to put it on the battery on the charger. But hopefully this one is enough. And this is different. I usually don't do full dark. Maybe I'll add something else lighter. NYX lingerie. I don't know why I'm trying a different combo when I start recording it. Then we're going to add a top gloss. Now this battery is dying. This is also from the beauty supply. And that's pretty much it. That's the finished look. So here is the finished look. As you can see, I changed the lip, but I felt like I needed a different combination because the other one just was not working for me. So yeah, I love doing this because I don't have to have my face weighed down by all of the foundation. It's very natural looking, it's very simple, and that's what I love about it. Because like I said in my other Get Ready With Me, I am not a makeup guru. I do not know everything there is to know about makeup, so if I can keep it as simple as possible, that's what I will do. So yeah, that's all. If you like this look, leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.